We do everything we can to try and help the homeowner.
What automation finance does is take non-performing mortgages and humanize a process.
The end goal is, can we provide a great return to our investors and keep borrowers in their home and create a win-win?
Before I worked for the company, I didn't even know investors could manage these loans. I thought it was just the banks and the federal government.
The way we're aligning interests is what makes us incredibly unique. Let's say a borrower was to owe $500,000. Their home is only worth $300,000. People are much more willing to keep a loan performing and current when they know their home is not underwater anymore. What we actually go to the investors and ask is, hey, would you be okay with forgiving this $200,000? Because the loans were purchased at such a good discount that we were able to not only help the borrower, but then the investors making a great return.
We really believe in managing each step of the process, from due diligence all the way to a loan sale and everything in between. Our approach is very technology focused. This is how we're able to, at scale, manage without quality being reduced in any way.
At Automation, we embrace technology. We believe building our platform that's based on automation and cutting-edge technology is going to allow us to have a big competitive advantage.
Two of the core characteristics of our business are empathy and kindness. We were raised a certain way where character matters, integrity matters.
Our first big task is getting in contact with the homeowner. Once we get them on the phone, it's a rational conversation. And it usually goes something like this. You ask, what would it cost if you had to move into rented accommodation? And he may say it's $1,000. If he's not staying in his home that he owns, he needs to move into a home that's rented that costs $1,000. Okay, could you afford a payment of $750? And that's when his eyes are really open. We're able to modify his loan and reduce the payment to something that he can afford to pay every single month, and that's lower than rent.
I work with the loss mitigation team, with the servicer. We help people save their homes. The servicer's job is to make sure that people stay in their home, they get caught up on their payments. I'm a people person. I like putting smiles on people's faces. I like to talk to them.
What I really love about this company is our team is international. We have so much diversity. We want people to expand their skills. We really encourage collaboration.
America is the land of opportunity. Not just opportunities for institutional investors, opportunities for every investor. So we picked a sum that almost everyone could afford, $250. We'll manage that on behalf of even the smallest investor. And the smallest investor can get the same investment returns that the institutional investors can get. So now that's an opportunity for everybody. If you're earning less than 8% per year on your savings account or your retirement account, you should give the AF Reperformance Fund number 4 some serious consideration.